This is an update on my Callen camper that I'm kind of rebuilding the bottom box that I made because I made a new flatbed which dropped down 5 inches, so I needed to make up another 5 inches so the stoop would clear the cab. And so this is the original side panel that was right here, and so I added a couple 1x2s. I just cut this, fit it in there. See, and this is what I made to space it up. So I was able to keep the original floor and the base that I had built. There's the doors. I don't know if I'm going to add the new 7 inches or 5 inches to the doors to put them back on. I'm thinking I want to make a entire new back piece with one small door, maybe about 25 inches wide. So you're coming right here, and then a solid piece coming down about to make up the gap where the door's going to be. So I'm trying to keep it simple, but make it solid. So yeah, there's the flatbed right here. It's going to sit, and it's actually it's a foot short because that box is 7 feet long, and this bed is 8 feet. So I think it'll be all right. Cool. It's February 2018. Beautiful Saturday morning.